Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day. So today I want to bring you a new TSB that just got released for an Acura vehicle. This got released 2 days ago, and it affects one model, and they've been having issues with them, and I've actually experienced it on this car as well. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what this is. So if you guys remember a while back, I mentioned to you that on one of the front wheels here, when you turn really sharp, you'd hear like a screechy noise coming from it. And what happens is, a lot of times, is you'll get a debris caught between the dust shield here and the disc, and it'll cause it to make some kind of noise. And then sometimes, if the disc gets bent somehow because a rock flies up and hits it, when you turn really sharp like I was doing, the shield will actually contact the disc. And so I kind of just bent it a little bit, then it got rid of the problem. But they just released this TSB, and it affects all 2022 to 2023 Acura MDX vehicles. And the problem they're having is same type of thing, is that a rock or a pebble will get caught between the dust shield and the disc, and then as it rotates, of course, it'll cause a screeching or grinding noise. And so what they're doing, they have a revised shield that they will replace the old one with the new revised one, which will prevent this from happening. So I'm guessing that the revised one has a little bit more clearance to prevent little pebbles getting caught in it. That's only my guess. But here's the actual TSB. And there's the number. If your dealer is not sure of it, because sometimes you go to a dealer and they're not real positive, just refer to that number, the 24-025, and they can look it up for you. But like I said, when we had our MDX, we never had that issue, but maybe some of you guys have. Like I said, I've experienced it in this car, so it'll be interesting to see if after, they fix the MDX, if they start releasing a service bulletin for some TLXs as well. Because they're all a real similar design when they use the dust shields. If you look at them, the tolerance, it's really tight on there. I mean, you can flex it a little bit and make it hit the disc. I mean, it's really close. So let me know in the comment section if you guys are experiencing that issue. But if you have a new MDX and you are, then hopefully this TSB will solve your problem. So I always like to keep people informed when I find this information out as well. Somebody posted it online, so I wanted to share this with you, because it can be frustrating when you have little issues like this, noises from your car, and you can't really figure it out. And this seems like a really easy fix too. It says the time is about an hour, so not too bad for this. So again, if you guys have a 2022 or 2023 MDX, and it's not VIN specific either, so if you're experiencing this issue, take it in, have this repair done, and you should be on your way. It should fix the problem, okay? So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it, as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.